this video, we are getting things finalized and finished up for the camper at the hunting club. We have an error code on our refrigerator from when Bill went the other day to set it up, so we're going to troubleshoot that.
I'm Bill.
I'm Kelley.
And this is our
adventures. Oh.
Here we go. Yeah.
We got to figure out while we're down here what EO means. We're not really sure. We've been told that it's a breaker that's outside. It's a little bus fuse. A bus fuse. So we bought some and we're going to try to replace that, but it's pouring down rain right now. So we're not going to be able to do that tonight. Probably be able to do that tomorrow. We bought a little small mini fridge because we need something to keep our stuff in, and it wasn't terribly expensive. And when we get through using it, we're gonna just keep it up under the fifth wheel for like drinks and stuff outside. Brr, it's cold in here. It's 57 in here, and it's dark. Oh, y'all haven't got to see. I finished the towel. It looks really good. I'm happy with it. Excited. Now let's eat some dinner. Whew. Good morning. It rained most of the night, so now we are gonna see first about trying to get this fridge fixed.
All right, we got EO on the refrigerator, so we need to figure out why there's no communication between the display and the control unit. So we're gonna pop off this panel here and see if we can't figure it out.
And we're gonna go ahead and apologize for the whining dogs in the background because we didn't want to have to try to keep up with them outside.
Just got the voltmeter out, put it in ohms. What you're checking for is to see if there's continuous loop through here. Make sure this is not broken. When it's off, not gonna beep on the beep setting, but if you touch it together, it'll beep. So, just gonna check this fuse first before I take the other fuse panel off. And this one's good. And of course, the one that's good is the easiest one to get to. Looks like all your fuses are in this panel here.
What's up?
Yeah, but the other side's gonna have a clip on it just like this too. Your dogs are aggravating.
Yes, they are. Why are they my dogs when they're being bad? Do you think I could get my hand in there?
It's not a matter of getting your hand in there, it's a matter of pulling this out to get past the clip. It's gonna have a time lapse on it. It may take me an hour to get this off, but it'll only take us like 5 seconds.
You want me to just try? I just was thinking maybe I could. My hand's a lot smaller. There, it's done.
In there.
Oh, okay.
How to get to it?
Oh, I see oh, that's a little bitty one.
It's freaking tiny as hell.
Oh, that'll be fun.
How the hell did you get your finger on that?
I just got it in there. I had more room than you had. I could pull back. You were stuck up against the wall.
That fuse is good.
Plug, you can unplug it and try that, because that was another suggestion.
Fuse over here first. If I can get in here on it. That's good.
Good.
Oh. Yeah, but I killed all that's AC plug. I need to kill the DC plug too.
Oh.
Because I've already killed the breaker to it.
Well, I thought somebody had said unplug it.
We'll see if the...
Okay. We gotta fix this today too, Mud. Stay. No. Yeah, that didn't work.
We're this way.
It would be too easy. Then you wouldn't have, you would call them to work on it.
Let's see if the...
Power's off. Yeah, it's it. So they said to leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll plug it back up. All right. Hope that works. Please work, please work, please work, please work. It works! Ah, it works! It works! Yee-hoo, it works!
Alright. Got the refrigerator back working for now. To save you some steps, more than likely. Easiest thing to do, kill the breaker, disconnect the battery. That will reset everything. What we did, since somebody told us it was probably the fuse in here causing that, because it's communication error. We came, checked this, you got a fuse here, then you got 2 more fuses inside your controller unit here. We checked all those were good. So then we just had to kill the power from the DC power. It got AC killed, but then we had to kill the DC power to try to reset it. So we just unplugged the controller. This big controller, this one right here.
Hope I can see this.
That one right there on top. We just pulled it out. We pulled it out, let it sit for about 5 minutes just to reset everything, plug it back in. The wife ran in there, said it wasn't working. I told her to hit the power button. So after that, she hit the power button, it come up working. So, but might want to try disconnecting the battery first before you go through all this stuff to try to reset it.
I gotta put it all back together. It's on.
Never done this before. Get these little tabs right here. Just turn them up. This will come out and it'll slide down to access this.
Maybe we should just go grab a pool. Yeah, that was gross. Not my normal tripod. But been a full 24 hours since we fixed the refrigerator. It is still working. I just got here to the camper and it was on 34 degrees when I got here. It's 36 now because I had it open loading stuff. But our fix yesterday absolutely worked, or at least for the minute. Remember, if you want to follow our hunting adventures, there is a separate channel, and I'll put it in the link how to get there, a YouTube channel. That'll be our hunting adventures. And this will still be just our regular all adventures on everything else. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I sure hope that if you have this problem and you watch this video, it helped you out. Because if we had a video about it, if we could have found one, it sure would have made the time a little bit quicker on figuring out what was wrong. Till next time.